everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fiona here, coming to you with another video. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I hope by the end of this video you will enjoy it and you will love it and you want to join this little family I got going on here. We're going to be installing a wig I got from Amazon. That's how the wig came in. The wig name is Longqibeauty, and it came in a plastic bag. This is the hair. When you open the box, you also get a wig cap, and you also get some lashes. Yes, I like when they add lashes, bro. Yeah, so you get a wig cap, lashes, and the wig. And this is the wig. So this is how the wig came in, you guys. This is the length of the wig. Yeah. And this is how the wig looks. Look at the parting. The parting looks beautiful. Do y'all see that? So yeah, we're gonna be installing this wig from start to finish, step by step. I also received your wig grip. Let me just open this real quick and show you guys. If you get in the wig grip, it comes with a wig cap in it. So that's 2 wig caps for me, okay? I'm so excited to get this wig grip because, ooh, ooh, no more edges. I know it saves your edges, and it's like the filling too. It's like silk. No, it's not silk. This is not silk. This is like velvet kind of texture. You guys know, I don't know what texture this is, but you know, it has that feel to it. So it feels like it will protect your edges. I'll put everything in the description down below so you guys can check it out. But this is how the wig grip is. It's really nice. And it has this lace part too, so that when the lace part is for like your own lace of your wig, so it won't like, because if it's black all the way through, it's gonna like be showing on your, you know, wig. So let me wig grip on. Yes, protect them edges. Okay, they came through with this wig grip for real, because now I know my edge is gonna be protected. Like, now I know. And also, not only that, this helps your wig from slipping back, because if your wig is always pulling back when you put it on, you can get this, baby girl, it ain't gonna move. Let me show you. So this is the wig. I'm just gonna take it off, take off the little fishnet to be putting around wigs. But yo, do you guys see that part in? Wigs look more natural when it has that long part in, and I absolutely love them for doing that. So let's look at the insides. Okay, so it has 2 combs on this side. I have a comb right here and a comb right here, and it also has a comb down here, and it also has a strap, an adjustable strap if you want to adjust the wig right here too. And yes, and this is the length of the wig, and it feels nice and soft. Let me put it on my head. Okay, you guys, this is the wig directly on my head. I haven't done anything at all to it. This is it with the lace and everything. First of all, I'm gonna go in with my Got2b glue. I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol and just clean all that white part. So I'm going to use this tinkle cutter to cut the edges. could just wear the hair like this. It feels really soft. My hands is running through it really easily, you know. It looks good, looks straightened already, but I'm gonna just straighten it a little bit. So I like that it's not too full, and I like that it's not too scanty either, because you know I'm going to be wearing it a lot and combing through. I don't want all the hair to fall off. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the front. I like that the front is shorter than the rest of the hair, because I hate when like the wig is just everything's just the same length. I don't know if you guys can see the back well. I can. So this is all the shredding the hair had from combing it and everything. So, and when I run my hands through it, I don't feel anything coming off, which is really good. Because I hate when I run my hands through a wig and you can already see it coming off. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to click the like button down below. Please click it. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If this is your first time joining me and you enjoyed this hair wig video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be coming more with more videos, more affordable wig videos. And if you did enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button down below. You can follow me on Instagram at flawless_Fiona, on Twitter at Slay by Fiona, on Snapchat at Queen Fiona 2, and I'll see you guys next time.